Okay, hello guys. I'll be telling you how to make a YouTube Viewbot for your Mac, and this Viewbot can specifically run in the background. On my last video, I made a Viewbot, but it couldn't run in the background, but today I'll be showing you guys how to make it run in the background. So, if we use the script, it'll make this Viewbot run in the background. So, last time I used google.com, but this time I'm gonna use my last video's URL instead of google.com. And also, my Safari is not open right now, as you can see. And let's just see if the script works. So since it's a delay 5, it will run every 5 seconds. You can change that to how many seconds in between you want your script to work. So every 5 seconds it will open up that URL that you have put in there in between these two speech marks. Let's see if it worked. Let's click on Safari, and yeah, it's working right now. Yeah. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. I'll have this script put in the description of the video, so you can just copy and paste it into your Apple script editor. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And comment down in the comment section for what you want to see next. So future videos. Thanks guys, and bye.